Welcome to this day's episode, blah. And here we are, we're out at lunchtime. We've got our first delivery, 11 minutes away. But boing, off you go, boy. Here's Poole, one of Poole Lakes. Tide's going out. Absolutely love this. And of course, I'm always on the lookout for dolphins. Okay, let's go. 13 minutes, someone's waiting for their KOKORO, as I pronounce it, but I think it's KOKORO. Looking forward to seeing what this ends up being. You know, it's a green wall at the moment, but is it going to be a new building, or is it going to be a car park? I think it's going to be a building, and that'll be your view. Oh dear, someone's been roosting. Look at that. Tank practice. Can I just concentrate on this order? Poole Harbour, or part of it. They call these lakes. So this inlet's a lake. Then you see through there's another, underneath the railway bridge, another inlet, then that's another lake. Salt water, tidal, but lakes. See that sign? Means only people wearing bikes as crowns can come here. 11 minutes still. I was right to take this route. Wind's with me, it's going to be fun going back. But one thing I've learnt riding for Deliveroo is it's alright at the moment. You know, it's as much as you can do. It's all right now. Right, said Fred. Fancy going for a jog? I'm too sexy for my trainers. Trying to think of a joke about like baked beans on toast, but and it's all okay for me to say this. Interesting to see where we end up. Cheers. Thank you. Anyway, up here, no cars means good. No cars means good. Hang on. Straight on. So what threw me there is a tram line, which usually takes me that way. But we've got the dog leg. We're going to some estate. No! We're going up Fleet's Lane. Are you coming? Yeah, slowly. Ah, we can see the dot now. Look, Ma, no-handed. I may do this delivery, go back to Poole, remove a layer, I think. Need to watch out, people on their lunch get a bit pedal happy. Oh, up path. Sudden manoeuvre and all that. Okay, we're going to go through the, this is Fleetsbridge roundabout. Oh, grass. 4 minutes. We've got to do the Fleetsbridge underground system. This is always fun. We're going to follow there what they tell us. So here we are, traffic lights. We've got a nice little bit of road work here, which means we can cross down to an easier gear. past the giant Lego, and you thought it was made out of brightly coloured plastic. Drop curb's just there. I'll go around behind him, he's massive. Curb. Oh no, there isn't a drop curb, must be thinking somewhere else. Anyway, it's the underground system, and it'll take us over there.
Preparations next year. Cheers.
That's alright, mate?
Yeah.
Don't think I left him enough room there. I've got to be said, I don't usually see anyone else down here. Okay, we're going to go across to here. So surely... I don't think there's a way through though. Or is there? So we're delivering just there. I'm going to go round. This is a new little route that I'm going to have to learn. Basically, is that lush? Lush is everywhere in Poole. Can't see through the hedge, I don't know if you can. You're up a bit higher than I am. 2 minutes. I don't know, that seemed quite a quick run. Mind you, 2 minutes can be a long way. I'm going to go out on the road now, around the corner. Yeah, lush. Ah, we're delivering to lush. We're in here. Nope, no. So it looks to me like I'm going around there. Estates are great fun. So still a little way to go. Straight on then. God, it smells lovely here. Smells of my bubble baths on Saturdays. Still going. I wonder what this is for. Dog leg. We're going up there. We'll see if I can get out. Anyway, we're around here. Waterloo House, okay. You know where to lock up. Lock up over there. Probably safe enough, but Waterloo House, here we are. Right, I'll lock up over there. Crazy ass lock up. Flower bed edition. Okay. You waiting for Deliveroo?
Yes.
Hello mate, thanks for coming out. I was wondering where I was going to go. Yeah, appreciate that. Bear with me, just doing some admin. Yeah, have you got a short number for me? Cheers. Look at that, thumbs up. I remember when this was Hamworthy Engineering. Billions of years ago. I didn't used to deliver KOKORO there though.
No.
Anyway, there we are, sir. Have a good weekend. Cheers. Let's see if there's a way through. So we've got a Burger King up there, and they quite often use my, look at that, that's smooth, wasn't it? Use my services. So we is going to ride up here and see if we can find a way through. We're going to see if we can find the Northwest Passage. You know, now the ice is cleared. But that barrier looks... Oh no, oh, I got excited then. So I reckon I can go through here. So that would that have been a shortcut? Yeah, so I can go through here. See that corner? I've got my tyre mark on it. There we go. So I don't know whether that would have been shorter. Nevertheless, we know it for next time. I'm going that way. Cheers though. Nice chap. Thought I was going across. Right, let's go. I'm going back to Poole. If I get an order, I'll take it. Okay, so I'm going back to Poole. I'll pick you back up when the next order comes in.